Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, preparing food. Preparing food. Preparing food. Okay, let's begin. To break, to crack, to break an egg, to crack an egg. To beat, or to whisk, To blend, or to mix, to blend or to mix. Chop the onions. To chop, to crush, to crush. To cut, to cut. To defrost or to thaw. Defrost or to thaw. To defrost or to thaw. To dress a salad. To dress. When dressing a salad, you can add or season it with salt and pepper. To add. To season. Season. Then mix the salad. Mix. To mix. To dice. To dice the pumpkin. To fillet. To fillet a fish. To grate the cheese. To grate. To grate. To knead. Knead the dough. To marinate. Marinate. To marinate the chicken. To mince or to grind. To mince. To grind. To mince or to grind the meat. Mash the avocados with a fork. To mash. To mash. To melt the butter. To melt. To peel. To peel. Peel the potatoes. To roll. Roll. To roll. To skewer. Skew. Skewer. To skewer. Slice the carrots. To slice. Slice. To slice. To spread the butter. To spread. Spread. To spread. To squeeze. To squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze the lemons. To stir. To stir. Stir. Stir the vegetables. To tenderize. 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 To tenderize. Okay, preparing food in English checked. Thanks for watching.